Ever wished you could trade U.S. stocks without being limited by traditional market hours or complicated international brokerage accounts? That's the promise of tokenized assets, and Kraken's xStocks are bringing that vision to life. If you're looking to dive into tokenized U.S. equities on one of the biggest crypto platforms, the first thing you need to know is, can I actually use it where I live? Kraken has been on a mission to democratize access to finance, and their xStocks offering, which are tokenized representations of popular U.S. stocks and ETFs, is a major step. But because of different regulatory landscapes around the world, geographic availability is key. So, let's get straight to the regions where Kraken xStocks are live. Kraken has launched a phased global rollout for xStocks. This is great news, as it means access is continually expanding. The initial rollout successfully made over 60 tokenized equities available to clients in over 140 countries worldwide. This covers a huge portion of the globe, including regions across Asia, Latin America, and Africa. More recently, Kraken made a significant expansion, bringing xStocks to millions of eligible clients across the European Union. This was a huge step, making it easier for EU-based investors to get exposure to U.S. markets without the typical high fees and cross-border frictions. The simple way to look at it is this: Kraken is working to bring xStocks to virtually every region outside of a few major markets that have specific regulatory hurdles for this type of product. Now, for the critical part, where are they not currently available? For regulatory reasons, Kraken xStocks are not accessible to clients in the United States, Canada, the United Kingdom, and Australia. If you are a client in one of these 4 regions, you will not be able to trade xStocks on Kraken. To quickly recap, xStocks are broadly available to eligible non-U.S. retail clients in a vast number of countries, including the European Union and large parts of Asia, Africa, and Latin America. The key exclusions are the US, UK, Canada, and Australia. If you're in an eligible region, xStocks offer a compelling way to gain 24/5 exposure to assets like Tesla, Apple, and the S&P 500, all while leveraging the flexibility of the blockchain. If you're ready to bridge the gap between traditional and decentralized finance, check your Kraken account's eligibility and you might be ready to start trading. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.